Hi, my name's Lacey. I'm going to show you how you could paint your nails. First, you pick out your nail polish, and so you don't get bubbles, you just do this, and then you open it, and you start up top, but you have to wipe a little off. And then that's how you do it.